In this video, you'll learn how the Fibonacci Roulette Strategy works, how it compares to the Martingale, and whether it's worth using at the tables. What is the Fibonacci strategy? The Fibonacci system is a negative progression strategy, meaning you increase your bet after every loss. It's based on the famous Fibonacci sequence, where each number is the sum of the two before it. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. In practice, you start with 1 unit. If you lose, move to the next number in the sequence. If you win, you step back 2 numbers. This helps control losses while giving you chances to recover gradually. Why players like it? The appeal is that it's easy to follow, and unlike Martingale, it doesn't demand a massive bankroll. Bets increase more slowly, which means smaller risks and longer play sessions. Fibonacci versus Martingale. Both systems are negative progressions, but they behave very differently. Martingale doubles your bet after every loss, so a losing streak can get out of control quickly. For example, after 10 straight losses starting at 1 unit, Martingale would leave you down over 1,000 units, while Fibonacci would only be down 143 units. That's a huge difference in bankroll pressure. Pros and cons of Fibonacci. The Fibonacci system has some clear advantages. It's simple, protects your bankroll better than Martingale, and is good for long, steady play. But there are also disadvantages. It doesn't change the odds of roulette, and a very long losing streak can still wipe you out. It's best seen as a short-term strategy, not a guarantee. There's also a variation called the Reverse Fibonacci. Instead of raising bets after a loss, you increase them after a win. This lets you ride winning streaks for bigger profits, but it also carries higher risk if luck turns. So, is Fibonacci worth it? It's a safer and more sustainable option than Martingale, but like any system, it can't beat the house edge. It's best suited for players who want more playtime with smaller risk rather than chasing big wins.